I am going to show you an amazing IQ option strategy that is very simple, and you can use it very easily. But if you are not an IQ option user, you can also use this strategy on any other binary platform you use. Okay, let's get started. Today, we're using the stochastic oscillator and the moving average indicator for this strategy. Many people I see are using these indicators very wrong in binary options. Today, I will show you how to use these indicators correctly for binary options. First, let's add the stochastic oscillator indicator. In indicator settings, change the period to 16 and change the overbought level to 70. In color and display, we can change the thickness of these lines, and I change the color of the oversold level to yellow, and I leave the other colors alone. Then I click Apply the indicator. Next, we'll add the moving average indicator. Actually, we are adding the moving average indicator twice in this strategy with different periods. For the first one, I search for the moving average and change the period to 8 and change the type to EMA. Also, I am changing the color to yellow and increase the thickness a little bit. Now we have to add moving average for another time again. This time, change the period to 2, change the type to EMA, and change the color to white and increase the thickness a little bit. Now, let me explain how this strategy works. The stochastic oscillator has two main levels. The upper level is 70 and the lower level is 20. The market always moves between those two levels. When the blue line crosses the red line and starts to go downside below the red line, it's a signal for the market going down. Also, when the blue line crosses the red line and starts to go upside above the red line, it's a signal for the market going up. If the oscillator snaps to the 70 levels and goes with the 70 level, it's a strong bullish trend for a long time. And also, if the oscillator snaps to the 20 levels and goes with the 20 levels, it's a strong bearish trend for a long time. In the moving average, if the white line crosses the yellow line and starts to go downside below the yellow line, it's a bearish signal. And also, if the white line crosses the yellow line and starts to go upside above the yellow line, it's a signal for the market going up. Now you know how these indicators work, and now let's apply the strategy in IQ option. If you haven't joined the platform yet, check out my link in the description to register for the platform. Now I am switching to my demo account to show you this strategy, and I also want you to practice this strategy in your demo account first. Because I don't want you to lose your money, I want to help you to earn some money. So practice this in your demo account first, okay? Okay, first, change the candle time period to 1 minute. Now, let's wait for the best moment to open a trade. Here, I am opening a trade to the upside because as you can clearly see, the stochastic oscillator crossed their lines under the 20 level, and the blue line is moving above the red line. So that's a bullish signal for us. And also, look at the moving average lines. The white line has crossed the yellow line and started to go upside. So this is a good entry point for opening a trade to the upside. Also, remember, when we open a trade, we need to give some time to the market to move in its trend. Because the market is always fluctuating, it's important to follow the current trend. So, opening trades with very short time periods can be very dangerous for this strategy. Therefore, open a trade with at least 2 or 3 minutes of expiration time. Okay, let's wait for the result. Wow, great! We won that trade. Here I am opening a trade to the downside because, as you can clearly see, the stochastic oscillator crossed their lines above the 70 levels and the blue line is moving below the red line. So that's a bearish signal for us. And also, look at the moving average lines. the white line has crossed the yellow line and started to go downside. So this is a good entry point for opening a trade to the downside. I'll reiterate, when we open a trade, we need to allow some time for the market to follow its trend. Markets are always fluctuating, but they tend to move in a certain direction. Hence, opening trades with very short time periods can be risky for this strategy. It's advisable to open a trade with at least 2 or 3 minutes of expiration time. Okay, let's wait for the result. Wow, excellent. We won again. As you can see, this strategy is working very well. Let's try to open one last trade for today. I'm opening a trade to the upside again because the stochastic oscillator lines are way above the 70 level, and they are over the 70 level for a very long time now. Also, the blue line is moving above the red line. And also, when we look at the market candles, we can clearly see this is a strong bullish trend in the market. So we can open trades to the upside in situations like this. And remember what is said before? You have to open trades with at least 3 minutes of expiration time if you use this strategy. Because the market has its small volatilities that we can't predict. We can only predict the future if we have 3 or 2 minutes. So keep that in your mind, boldly. Let's see the result of this trade. Excellent. We won again. As you can see, this strategy is performing very well. Practice this in your demo account, and after that, you can try it in your real account. So, that's it. If you haven't joined any binary option platform yet, check the description below. Subscribe if you want to learn more binary option strategies. I'll catch you in my next binary trading strategy video. Peace.